To record what's on the screen, you'll need the program called Screencast-o-Matic. It can be installed from the Software Center. Once you run it, you're going to see this screen right here. The red record button opens up the recording options. You may not see videos listed yet, but it will keep track of what you've recorded before. This recording screen has some options on it that you'll need to select. The size is one of the more important ones, and narration and computer audio can be turned off. We don't need audio for this particular video. By choosing the 480p size, we're getting the ratio that's the same as the PowerPoint. So if you shift and click and hold on the corner, you can increase the screen that is going to be captured to something like this. Notice I'm not including these navigation bars here. That is going to be much nicer for the final product. You're going to want to have typed in your country up here first so that there's no question that you'll be able to click on this search, this little magnifying glass, and actually execute the spin that the globe is going to take. Always start from the very initial screen that Google Earth gives you. That way everybody's starting from this exact point. Don't try and get back to it, just close Earth and start up again. The record button in the upper left over here will start the recording. It will count down a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then everything after that will be recorded. When you're done, you click the done button up there, the pause, and you can continue recordings. That's one of the nice features of this program, but for us, we're just going to click done right there. That brings up the actual video that was captured, and it's likely that you've got some time at the beginning and some at the end that you don't want. And you can move these handles in to find the exact point that you want the final video to start at, and then trim off anything at the end that you didn't want to show. Once you've got that set, you can press play and watch the whole thing, and then save as a video file. That's going to have a couple of options here. So once you click save, these options come up. Now you've got your file name that you want to give it, date, country, what it is, a movie perhaps. The folder, you'll need to navigate to your documents, vector, and then country project folder. And don't put the cursor on there. Take that off. I use it for tutorials, but we really don't need to have the cursor visible for this particular video. And always keep the higher quality file size. Once you click publish, then you'll get this screen. It'll take just a moment or two to create that video. It can then be inserted into that blank slide in your PowerPoint.